Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me talk about video cards and this new edit screen from YouTube. So if you upload your video here in the new uploading experience, in the video elements tab you can add cards, and this is how the new cards adding interface will look. Here you will be able to add videos, playlists, channels and links of websites that you have joined with your channel, that you have validated with your channel. So I want to talk about a feature that I really miss in this new editor. So if I want to add a link, here in the previous version of the editor, I was able to select a drop down of all the links that I already added, and I was not required to write each time my website URL. So I simply clicked here, a drop down appeared with all the website URLs that I entered, and I simply had to select it from there, the website URL. Now I have to write it each time, and it is a really lengthy process, because if you upload multiple videos, each time writing your website URL, hitting apply, and also templates for these would be really nice to have, because right now you have to select your image file, you have to write your own title for each, and this is really annoying. I'm not sure if for you guys also, but for me it is for sure. So let's write it, check my website, check WordPress related, sorry. And also they delete spaces automatically. So let's check this. If you there is some kind of messing up of content when they automatically delete spaces from here, and also here, so click here for more WordPress. Okay, and also an image, and images are not saving, so suggestions for your site, nothing. Upload custom. So let's select a file, a quick banner. Okay, so yeah, this process right now of creating cards is really long, and it can be, if you upload multiple videos, it can be really tiresome. So with this cursor you can set where exactly in the video will the card appear. So let us check this for the 10 seconds mark, for example. You can also set this here. Okay, and now let's go ahead and save this. And also saving takes a bit longer than usual, and the card is created. So yeah, what do you think, guys, about this new cards functionality? Because I wish right now that the old editor would be back, or the new editor would have these template functionalities. I have this template functionality from TubeBuddy, however this is added only in their Pro subscription, and I don't have the Pro subscription right now of TubeBuddy. So if we check apply tags, we will be prompted that only after upgrade we can get this feature, but yeah, I'll pass this right now, and I am sending this suggestion to YouTube developers that you should add the template functionality to tags, and somehow here you should add a button where you can select a template and add to these cards template functionality. So thank you for watching this video. Until next time, Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I release new videos each day at 8 p.m. GMT, so stay tuned for news. And until next time, stay subscribed, stay safe, have a nice day, bye bye.